Hello, Bernie. Hello, were you waiting, were you? You waiting for me to come back? Gonna come up? No, hold on. Oh, Sparrow. Ruffles. Hello, Ruffles. Were you waiting as well, were you? You're a good boy, aren't you? Hey? Can we go over to the gate so Bernie can jump up? Right. Bernie, this way. Come on. Come on then. This way. You coming up? Oh. Hello, Scruff. Oh. Peggy going after him. Ruby, sorry, going after him. And how's Bernie doing? You been behaving yourself? We're getting a queue forming. Impatient sparrows. Hello, you. Hello. Are you coming down? Come on then. You're going to be brave. Oh yeah? You're going to be brave? You're going to show them how to do it? Come on. There you go. See? Easy. And who's that behind? Ruffles. What was that noise? There you go. Scruff? You getting one? You getting one? There you go. Come on. Come on then. Do I have to come to you? Do you want me to get one out? Hand-picked. What about that one, sir? Is that okay for you? Is that to your liking? Do you want that one? There you go. Are you coming? No. 1 minute then. Let me come round the gate. Go on, Elsa. Through you go. Good girl. Oh. No, oh, I see. Okay. We'll go and feed Ruffles. Right, come on then, you. Come on, because there's someone coming and we've got to be quick now. Come on. Right, are you coming? You coming? There we go. Right, that's it then. One more for you. Come on. No, I'll put them there then. Right, I'll see you later.